Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a post from your favorite Instagram accounts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable posting notifications for Instagram, so you're always up to date with the latest content. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your phone. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Instagram in the list of apps. You can usually find it by scrolling or using the search bar at the top. Once you spot Instagram, tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, you'll see several options. Tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how and when you receive alerts from Instagram, so you never miss anything important. Now look for an option called Notification Categories. Tapping on this will show you all the different types of notifications Instagram can send. Here's where you can really fine-tune your experience. Find the category labeled Posting. This is the key to making sure you receive updates every time there's a new post from accounts you follow. To enable these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Posting to the On position. You should see the switch change color or move to indicate it's now active. That's it. You've successfully enabled posting notifications for Instagram. From now on, you'll get a notification every time your favorite accounts share something new. It's a great way to stay connected and never miss out on the content you care about. If you ever want to adjust your notifications, just follow these steps again and customize them to fit your preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date with Instagram.